I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
This guide explains how to remove the search function from your home screen. It covers Pixel, Samsung, and third-party launchers like Nova. You will learn 3 main approaches: remove the widget, disable the search app, or replace the launcher. I recommend backing up your home layout or noting settings before you change anything. Backups take only a few minutes and protect icons and folders. Follow the step list on the next slides for exact actions and quick recovery tips. Start by long pressing the search bar on the home screen for 2 seconds. Drag the bar to remove or trash to delete the widget immediately. If the search bar persists, open Settings and find Apps or Default Apps. Locate the search app and tap Disable to remove its home presence. For persistent bars bundled in launchers, install Nova Launcher or Launcher and set it as default. These launchers let you hide the search bar and fully customize your home layout quickly. If widget removal and disabling do not work, switch to a third-party launcher as your fallback. Open Settings, then Default Apps or Home app, and choose your new launcher to apply it. To restore the old state, re-enable the search app or switch back to the original launcher in the same menu. Always export your launcher layout or take screenshots before changes so you can restore icons and folders. If problems persist, reboot the phone and repeat the chosen removal method.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.